This tutorial will show you how to create a data extract using the IPUMS-Higher Ed extract system. From the home page, go to Select Data. First, click Select Samples. Go to the Full SDR tab. Let's choose the 2001 through 2013 Survey of Doctor Recipient Samples. Now submit sample selections. Under Topics, hover over Technical and select Technical. Because we are using full survey samples, we will use weight survey as the weight variable. Note that weight variables and variables that identify the individual, cohort, or sample are already selected for you. Core demographic variables are found under the demographic group. You can select variables either individually, or you can select an entire group. If you know the name of the variable you're looking for, you can search alphabetically. For example, I am looking for LF-STAT, or labor force status. You can also find variables using the search feature. Let's search for variables that will describe how a respondent found a career path job. Now go to View Cart. Click Create Data Extract. You may choose to describe your extract here. Then, click Submit Extract. Sign in with your email address and password. This is the Download or Revise Extract screen. You'll receive an email when your data is ready to download. A link will appear under Data. We hope you enjoy using IPUMS Higher Ed data.